Hey guys, so welcome to today's brief and really easy lesson on the perimeter and the area of squares. So first of all, what's a square? A square is basically that shape that I just drew. Now the important thing to understand about a square is that all of the sides must be equal to each other, okay? I'm using that red line to mark that all the sides are equal because every single side has the same line, right? Think if I had a rectangle, I might describe it differently. Here in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Yeah? So the two green marks go with each other and the blue marks go with each other. A square is different. A square, all the sides are the same, all right? So this is a square. Now, how to calculate the perimeter of a square? Well, let's imagine I tell you, if you're calculating the perimeter, let's imagine I tell you that this side is 4. And that's all I tell you. How are you going to find it? Well, hold on. Aren't all the sides of a square equal to each other? Yes. So if the left side is 4, guess what? The right side is 4. The top is 4. The bottom is 4. Now I already know from the previous lesson that if I want to find my perimeter, all I have to do is see how many units there are around a shape. So if I'm counting around a shape, I'm just going to add up every number around the shape. I'm going to add all these numbers up to calculate my perimeter. So that's going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, right? Okay, that should be 16. So my perimeter is 16. Done. Let's calculate the area. Now for the area of a square, we have a very simple formula. Area equals length times width. Okay? And to simplify that, we usually write it area equals LW, L times W. Okay? So let's imagine here, I give you a square, and I tell you, hey, the side of the square is 3. Solve. Well, I need a length and a width to solve for my area. Obviously, this measurement going up and down, well, I'm going to assume that that's going to be my length. Okay, but what about my width? How wide is the square? Well, wait a second. If it's 3 on one side, then a square will also be 3 on every other side. So the W is going to be 3 as well. Now I can solve. So what I have to do is, I go back to my formula, area equals length times width, which is 3. 3 times 3. Area equals 9. You're done.